A couple of months ago, Xiaomi officially announced and launched the Xiaomi 14 series, the first handset of 2023 to take advantage of Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. As with most China launches, the initial launch was in China and it was expected to eventually make its way worldwide. Unfortunately, this will not be the case with the Xiaomi 14 Pro. According to data from Xiaomi servers, the development of the HyperOS global ROM has ceased, suggesting Xiaomi might not be planning to launch the Xiaomi 14 Pro to the rest of the world and could remain exclusive to China. For those who are disappointed, there could be a reason for this. As per reports, Xiaomi might be even working with a higher version of Xiaomi 14, which will have the Ultra branding. That means though the Pro may not be found globally, the Ultra might come. The reasoning for this is Xiaomi is hoping to push customers to adopt the higher end, more expensive Ultra model instead of the Pro, so that's why they might be skipping the Pro's global launch. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is expected to be launched in March 2024, and let's see how the phones turn out.